are looking at solving a money word problem. But before we do so, let's look at the value of each coin. Our coins, we have a penny, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. Each coin has a different value. The penny is worth 1 cent. The nickel is worth 5 cents. The dime is worth 10 cents. And the quarter is worth 25 cents. Anytime we're working in a math money word problem or counting coins, we are always going to start with the highest value first, which is a quarter at 25 cents, down to the lowest value, which is the penny at 1 cent. Now we have reviewed our coins, let's go ahead and read our math money word problem. Here we go. Caleb wants to purchase candy at the grocery store. He has 3 quarters, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 4 pennies. How much money does Caleb have? So we are working with 3 quarters, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 4 pennies. Now, what are we trying to find out in this problem? Yes.
How much money does Caleb have?
How much money Caleb has. Very good. Unboxing our question, which is how much money Caleb has. The best way to solve a money math problem is to draw a picture so you can understand it better and use the count on strategy to help you. So if I have 3 quarters, I'm going to draw those first. It is the highest value. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put Q for quarters, 2 dimes, 1, 2, D for dimes, 1 nickel, N for nickel, and 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, P, 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 P. Now we're going to add the value of each of the coins. So 25 cents plus 25 cents is 50 cents. And if I add a 3rd quarter, that's going to be 75 cents. I'm going to add my dime, which is 10 cents, to my 75 cents, which makes it 85 cents. I'm going to add another dime, so now it becomes 95 cents. I'm going to add a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents, so I'm adding 95 plus 5, which is equal to $1. I still have 4 pennies left. Each penny is worth 1 cent. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So my sum is going to equal to $1.04. Caleb has $1.04 to purchase candy at the grocery store. Let's try another example of working with the money word problem. Here we go.
Jacob wants to purchase a box of stickers. He has 4 quarters, 3 dimes, and 2 nickels. How much money does Jacob have to buy his stickers?
Now, again, the first thing that we want to do when we're solving a word problems is to circle the numbers that we're working with. So we're working with 4 quarters, 3 dimes, 2 nickels. Now we're going to look at our question. How much money does Jacob have to buy his stickers? That's important information for us to know. So I'm going to underline it. Now, then I'm going to go ahead and draw out what I'm working with. So I have 4 quarters. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I put my Q, 4 quarters, plus 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. Put my D for dime. Now I'm going to add my 2 nickels. That's N for nickel. Now I'm going to go back and write the value of each coin. So quarters are worth 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. Dimes are worth 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. Nickels are worth 5 cents, 5 cents. Now, this is an extra step that I'm doing for students that need more practice with writing the value of each coin. If you know the value of each coin, go ahead and just add them up together. Okay? Now I'm going to add the value of each coin. If you didn't know, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. 4 quarters is actually equal to a $1 bill. So now I'm going to add 10, 20, 30 cents because I have 3 dimes and each dime is equal to 10 cents. So now I have $1 plus 30 cents. I have 2 nickels. They're each worth 5 cents. 5 plus 5 is 10. So now I have $1 plus 30 cents plus 10 cents. And now I can add that up. That's $1.30. Now $1.40 because I added 10. So I put my dollar sign, $1. I put a decimal here, and I put 40 cents.